Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to share a location to someone on Snapchat. So to begin, open your Snapchat app and go message option and tap on one name you want to share your location. Here will show you share my live location. So tap on live location. And here will timely or always, so I always selected. Tap on always. As you can see, the location has been sent and the label is changed to share this location. I hope this video will help you guys. Thank you.